King, Duckling, King, Duckling.
There's a duck you gotta know in the town of Hilly Hole. He likes to do things his own way.
Come on, friends, let's seize the day.
Silly duck.
King, Duckling.
This is one that she's real smart.
Look, I made a work of art.
Chumpkins is a techie pig.
Computers, yeah, I like them big.
King, Duckling, King, Duckling.
Check it out, the hilly pad, the helicopter's really rad.
Let's fly to space.
Feel the sea.
Careful, dude, there's a tree.
Thanks. Ooh,
Aww.
you guys are awesome. Marvelous Marvin.
Sunscreen lotion?
Check.
Boogie woogie board?
Check-a-bunga.
Is that a yes?
Check.
A book for the beach?
Space pigs from the year 2000.
In other words,
Check.
great! We're ready for a day at the beach. All we need is Peking. Where is he?
Oh, he's out in the garden talking to himself.
Unusual and worth looking into.
You're hilarious.
Peking, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Wombat. I'm just having a chat with my new friend, Marvin.
Peking, plants can't talk.
That's true, but I can talk.
Huh?
Hiya, Wombat. It's a pleasure to finally meet ya. Heard all about ya.
Well, hello, Marvin. You certainly are a polite little fella.
Thanks. I always say, nice is nice.
And I always say, don't put bananas in your shoes. But I do it anyway.
You crack me up, Peking.
Doesn't he have the most awesome laugh?
Yes, he does. So, Peking, are you ready to go to Red Belly Beach?
Sure. Can Marvin come?
Well, I don't see why not.
Thanks. I've never been to a beach. Should be swell.
Great, Marvin. I'll teach ya all about the beach-a.
Good one. Wow, the beach. Why do they call it Red Belly Beach?
Because if you don't wear sunscreen,
You'll end up with a red belly. Ooh.
Now you tell me.
Oh, I see.
Hey, Marvin, wanna play beach ball?
I'd love to. But what's beach ball?
Oh, it's a game. I'll show you. This is a beach ball.
Pretty. So what do I do?
I'll toss it to you, and then you toss it back. Here goes.
I got it. Oh,
Marvin, are you all right?
never better.
You're a natural, Marvin.
Thanks. What's next?
Oh, let's ride some waves on a boogie-woogie board.
Lead the way, amigo.
I put the boogie in boogie-woogie board. Here's yours.
Do you have anything smaller?
Oh, as a matter of fact, I do. How's that working for you, Marvin?
I flip-flopped on your flip-flop. Get it?
Good one, Marvin.
Look, I'm almost flying. I've always wanted to fly, Peking.
Me too. Whee!
What a glorious day at the beach.
Yeah,
what's wrong, Peking?
Didn't you have a good time?
I did, but I feel like we need one more thing to make our beach day complete.
Did someone say beach dance party?
No, but that sounds like a great idea.
Let's dance, critters!
Let the fun begin.
My first beach dance party!
What's that groovy move you're doing, Marvin?
I call it the silly caterpillar.
Let me try. Whoa. Whoa. Here you go, Marvin. Home sweet home. Or should I say, leaf sweet leaf.
That was the best day of my life. Thank you, Peking.
My pleasure. Oh, tomorrow I was thinking we could scale Pikey Peak. Or even better, crawl down into Cavey Cavern. Or...
That all sounds marvelous, Peking, but I can't. I'm gonna be very busy tomorrow.
Oh, are you going somewhere?
Sort of.
Well, can I come with you?
I wish you could, but it's a journey I have to take by myself. Solo. I'm sorry.
Oh, I see. Well, can I come by in the morning and say goodbye?
You betcha.
Hey, Marvin, what do you get when you cross a duck with a caterpillar?
Why give up? What?
Two best friends. See you in the morning, Marvin.
Good night, Peking.
Can you pass the turnips, please?
Sure, but don't you ever get tired of turnips?
Let me think. No. It's Peking.
Let's go! Peking, what's the matter?
I came down to say goodbye to Marvin before his journey, but look!
Is that Marvin?
I think so. Maybe he turned into a leaf.
Aha! Peking, Marvin isn't a leaf. He's a pupa, and soon he'll become a butterfly.
Okay, you lost me. A lot.
All caterpillars turn into butterflies, but first they become a pupa. It's perfectly natural.
But Marvin said he was going on a journey.
Well, it's like a journey from caterpillar to butterfly.
So I'll never get to play with Marvin or hear his cute laugh again?
Sure you will, Peking. Marvin will just be different.
Is there anything I can do for him?
No, Peking. The change just takes time. All you can do is wait.
Then I, Peking Duckling, will wait. And I will try and make Marvin comfy during his big change.
And I, Chumpkins, will go finish my breakfast.
Me too. Good luck, Peking.
Are you hot inside there, Marvin? You know, these wings aren't just for looks. Here you go, little fella.
Here you go, big fella.
Would you like to hear a joke, Marvin the pupa? I'll take that as a yes. What does a duck call quicksand? Quacksand! Get it? Quacksand! I miss you, Marvin.
Hi, Peking. How's it going?
It's not going. I miss Marvin. His funny little laugh. His silly caterpillar dance.
Here, here.
There.
There, there.
Thanks, guys.
Peking, why don't you come inside?
I can't. Not until Marvin comes out.
Well, then we will stand by your side while you stand by his. Guys, something is happening.
William, look at that.
Oh no, the cocoon is broken. I only turned my back on it for 1 minute.
Peking, it's supposed to break.
Really? Hang on. That isn't Marvin.
Peking, it is Marvin.
But he doesn't look anything like Marvin. He's got wings and antenna.
Marvin's journey is over, Peking. He's a butterfly now.
Oh, I don't think so, Wombat. I'm gonna go find Marvin. Whoa! I'm okay. Wait, Marvin? That is you! I know your cute little laugh anywhere.
Right ya are. It's me, Marvin.
Marvin! Oh, I missed you so much. Hey, wanna dance the silly caterpillar?
Sorry, Peking. I can't. My new wings would get in the way.
Oh,
But I can do a new dance, the butterfly guy. Oh, hey.
Marvin, that's incredible! And you're flying! You always wanted to fly!
I sure am, Peking, and it's swell.
If only we had some music.
Did someone say garden party? Woo-hoo!
Mildred, you rock. Let's dance.
Check it out! I'm doing the butterfly guy! Oh, I love that laugh!
And I love you, Peking.
Well, he don't fly and he don't quack. He hangs with a pig and a cute wombat. They like to take a stroll in the town of Hilly Hole. They fly the helicopter, yeah, the suckers on a